Question 26. Mary buys some lemon and limes. Lemons cost twice as much as limes, and Mary spends £7 altogether. How many lemons and limes did she buy? Now, the problem with this is there is actually multiple answers to this question. So what we need to do is explore a few different answers and how we might possibly get there. So what we'll do is we'll say lemons and limes. And the easiest, oh, put lemons and lemons. Didn't mean that. We mean lemons and limes. There we go. That's that fixed. So the easiest thing to do is to choose your price for limes. So let's say pick a nice easy price. So let's say 50p. So if limes is 50p, then lemons would be twice as much as that. So lemons would be £1 because twice as much as 50p is £1. And so you choose your price first of all, and then you find a combination that makes £7. So let's say you bought 2 limes. That takes you up to £1. You would need to spend £6 on lemons to take it up to a total of £7. So spending £6 on lemons means you would need to buy 6 of those. So 2 lots of 50p and 6 lots of £1 takes you to the magic total of £7. 2 lots of 50p, 6 lots of £1 takes you £7. So that could be one answer. She bought 6 lemons and 2 limes if they were £1 and 50p each. This is the problem. It doesn't actually tell you what the lemons and limes are, and it doesn't actually tell you how many of each she bought. So there could be a different answer. You could have said, right, well, the limes are £1. So that means the lemons are twice as much. So the lemons are £2. And you could have said, I will buy 3 limes. So if you bought 3 limes, that's going to give you a cost of £3. £4 left to spend on lemons at £2 each means you'd have to buy 2 of them. So if you think about that, 3 lots of £1 and 2 lots of £2 takes you up to the total of £7. So that could also be an option. We'll give you a couple more, give you another easy one, and then perhaps a trickier one. So if we choose the value of 25p for the lemons, 25p for the lemons, and we add 4 of them, that would be £1. And if they were 25p, the lemons would have to be twice as expensive, which would be 50p. But we would need to spend £6 on lemons, so we'd have to get 12 of them. So 4 25p's is £1, 12 50p's is £6, and £6 and £1 gives us the same total that we're looking for of £7. So as you can see, this very much depends on what your price for lemons and limes are and how much of each you're choosing. So a tricky one, lots of difficult answers as well. You could say, well, okay, limes are 35p, and I'll have 2 of those. That makes 70p. If you're spending 70p on limes, you have to spend £6.30 on lemons, and 35p each for limes would have to be 70p for lemons. And to get that up to £6.30, you'd have to buy 9 of them. So 9 70p's and 2 35p's does again give you £7. But I mean, that's a tricky answer. That I'll put a star next to that one because that one is tricky. You just have to keep it as easy for yourself as possible. So stick with easy numbers like 50p's and pounds, and then you should be able to, like, that one at the top is quite an easy answer that if you spend 2 or 3 minutes thinking about it, you could probably get. So lots of different answers. Just a matter of thinking about an answer that works for you.